Hello everyone. I am Annette. And I work in this supermarket where alcohol is sold. Do you know any individual who is involved with the sale, supply or service of alcohol in licensed premises is required, by law in Australia, to hold a valid RSA certificate? Are you also interested in working in the hospitality industry in Victoria? Then, getting a responsible service of alcohol, RSA, certificate is a legal requirement. Let's go through a step-by-step guide on how to obtain your RSA certificate in Victoria. Step 1. Choose a reliable RTO. Choose an RTO that offers the RSA course online or in person. Galaxy Training Australia is a reliable RTO that offers quality online RSA Victoria course at $21.99 only. Step 2. Enroll in the RSA course. Fill out an online enrollment form or contact the provider directly. With GTA, you can start the course for free and pay only when you like the course. Step 3. Complete the course and get the RSA Statement of Attainment. Pass the assessment that includes multiple choice questions. After that, take VCGLR's online RSA bridging course for free to get a Victorian RSA certificate. Congratulations! You can now work in licensed venues within Victoria. Remember, keep your RSA certification up to date by renewing it every 3 years. This will show employers that you are committed to providing responsible service of alcohol.